Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to set up Google Chrome startup page. So let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Chrome. So now if I try to open the Google Chrome, it is starting with the new tab. Okay, so it's starting without any kind of URL or the website. Okay, so now let's try to set up the Google Chrome setup page. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just click on these three dots. Once you click on these three dots, you can go to the settings, and here you can see on startup option. Let's try to click on that particular option. So here you can see on startup whether you want to open the new tab pages, or you want to continue where you left off, or open the specific page or a set of pages. So now I will try to click on this third option, and here I will try to click on add new page. So here I will try to enter the URL. Since it is asking to enter the URL, I will just type www.google.co.in. Okay, so now I will click on this particular add option, and now I will try to close the Google Chrome. Okay, so now if you open the Google Chrome again, it is starting with the website google.co.in. Okay, because here I have set up the Google Chrome setup page as this particular website. Okay, so whenever you try to open the Google Chrome, whenever you try to close it, and again when you try to open the Google Chrome, it will start with this particular website on the URL. So not only the google.co.in, you can set up with any website or the URL, whatever the website or the URL you set up, it will open whenever you try to open the Google Chrome as a fresh. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.